All right, let's talk about one of the coolest ways to build some real passive income online, selling digital products on Etsy. And hey, this is for everyone, especially if you're thinking, but I'm not a designer. Stick with me, because that's not going to be a problem. You know that dream, right? The one where you make something just once and it keeps earning you money while you sleep around the clock? Well, that's not just some fantasy. It's a real business model, and we're about to break down exactly how you can get started, like today. Now, if you've ever thought about starting something online, I bet these roadblocks look pretty familiar. You're thinking, I'm not a design pro, or I don't have 1,000 followers, or the tech stuff is just too much. But what if I told you, for this business, none of that actually matters? See, here's the old way of thinking about work. You trade your time for money. If you want to earn more, you have to work more hours. It's a trap, right? The whole point of building a passive income business is to completely break that link. And this brings us to the solution, Etsy. Now, you might think of Etsy as just a place for handmade crafts, but it is a massive, absolute goldmine for digital products. It basically solves all those problems we just talked about. Think of it as your easy button for getting an online business up and running. So, how simple are we talking? Look at this. Step 1. You create a digital file, like a planner or a template, one time, just once. Step 2, you list it on your Etsy shop. And then step 3, Etsy takes over. They handle the sale, they instantly deliver the file to your customer, and they do it again and again and again, forever, for that one thing you made. Let's just put this side by side with a traditional business for a second. Normally, you'd need a ton of cash up front, right? You'd have to deal with inventory. With Etsy digital products, your startup cost is literally pennies for a listing fee, there's zero inventory, delivery is automatic, and here's the kicker. Etsy gives you a built-in audience of millions of people who are already there to buy stuff. The advantage is just, it's huge. Okay, this next part is a really crucial mindset shift. This is where most people get stuck. You're probably wondering, okay, but what could I actually sell? Here's the secret. Success on Etsy isn't about being an artist, it's about being a problem solver. So you have to forget this myth that you need to be some creative genius. The reality is the products that sell the best are the ones that just solve a simple, everyday problem. Your job isn't to create a masterpiece. It's to find a problem and offer a digital solution. And I'm not just making this up. Think about it. People need help getting organized, so they buy planners and checklists. They get overwhelmed with social media, so they buy templates. They need a killer resume, so they buy a resume template. These aren't complicated works of art. They are tools that solve real problems. And here's the best part. You don't have to guess what people want. Just go to Etsy's search bar and type in weekly planner or business tracker. See what comes up. See what the best sellers are. You can even use free tools like eRank to see exactly what keywords people are searching for. You just let the market tell you what to create. Okay, so you've got your idea. Now you're probably thinking, but how do I actually make the thing? Again, this is so much easier than you think. You do not need expensive software. You don't need any special tech skills. This is it. This is your entire toolkit, and it's all free. Canva is an amazing, super user-friendly design tool. It's all drag and drop. For simple checklists and printables, you can literally just use Google Docs. And if you need images, websites like Pexels and Unsplash have millions of beautiful, royalty-free photos. You could start making your first product right now with just these 3 things. Now, listen, this is probably the most important advice I can give you if you're just starting out. Do not get stuck in the trap of perfectionism. Your goal is progress, not perfection. Just create something that's good enough to solve the problem, get it listed in your shop, and then you can always make it better later based on what your customers actually tell you. All right, once your product is made and you've listed it, this is where the real magic happens. This is the part where Etsy's platform takes over and turns that little digital file into a completely automated 24/7 sales machine. Let's be really clear on what we're building here. This is the definition of a true passive income asset. You do the work up front. You do the research, you do the creation, one single time. And after that, that asset works for you, selling over and over again, without you having to be there every single day. And that's the real power of this model. Your Etsy shop never closes. It's making sales for you on weekends, on holidays, while you're asleep. Someone on the other side of the planet can buy your product at 3 a.m. your time and get it instantly. And you didn't have to lift a finger. Getting that first sale is, man, it's an amazing feeling. But the real goal here is to turn this into a consistent, reliable stream of income. And the best part is, scaling your shop is just as simple as starting it. So once you find a product that sells well, you can create different versions of it. You can bundle it with other related products to offer more value. You can use a visual platform like Pinterest to drive even more traffic to your listings. And with every new product you create, you're just adding another long-term asset to your portfolio that works for you 24/7. So we basically covered the entire blueprint, right? From coming up with an idea all the way to full automation. You can see how straightforward this really is. So the question now is, are you ready to hit the fast forward button on this whole process? If you want the fastest, most direct path to building a $5,000 a month digital product business with zero inventory, no paid ads, and seriously, no prior experience needed, I've put together a totally free, in-depth masterclass for you. Just head over to homebizsimple.com to get instant access. So I'll leave you with this one final thought to get you started. What are you already good at? Are you great at organizing your week, at budgeting your money, meal planning for your family? Your first big selling digital product might just be a simple solution to a problem you've already solved in your own life. Chances are the answer is right in front of you.